So today we're going to talk about this circle ruler that comes in our Essential template set. And I'm going to use the inside one. I find that these that are closed are easier to work with when you're first starting out to get practice using the ruler foot with the ruler. Let's get started. So first I have my machine set up with my ruler foot. My feed dog is down. Machine is threaded, obviously. And I have confirmed that when I put my presser foot down, I can move it. The instructions for how to set this up properly are on our website, but it's always nice to confirm every time you have a new quilt sandwich. So this template, like many of our templates, has lines to help you line up as you make your pattern. So on this side, I simply lined up the edge of my fabric with this dotted line because that's what I chose, and I was able to hold the template there as I was doing my circle, and therefore it all stayed consistent. Okay, so now I'm going to do my second circle, and I have my first circle lined up with the circle line here, and the circles are just going to come right next to each other. Let me get my glove on. And gently just pushing the ruler. It gives me another perfect circle. So I have 3 circles here now, and I can line up one of the top circles and one of the side circles with the little lines and create another one here. So I have this cute little 4-dot pattern. And now I have my 4 circles, and I want to do an outer circle. So there are some lines here to help me line up my centers on the top and on the bottom and on the sides. And now I'm just going to stitch on the outside, or I could also stitch on the inside. And now I have a cute little circle and a circle design.